Okay, welcome aboard. We're gonna ferry the airplane across. Let's see if we get this baby started. All right, I'm gonna see where I can put you guys. Hang on one second. Let me turn you off because I might flip the camera. Starting one, ignition, fuel pressure, oil pressure, rotation of N1 prior to the 25%. Ignition's out, good start, waiting for about 42% for our starter to disengage. Alright, good start. Nice and stable, temperature's coming down. I wait for the temperature digits to go away till it stabilizes, and then I wait for my amps to drop a bit. Alright, they're dropping. Let's just turn on a little air. But we will here in a second. Let's start the second one. Alright.
Pause system test. Okay.
Alright, there's 100. Rotation, ignition, fuel flow, oil pressure, light off, rotation of N1. Nice and stable, nice cool start. Wait till 42%. Good start. Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Is it citation 33 Juliet Whiskey?
300 Juliet Whiskey. We're here at Signature Electrical Positioning System.
Over 300 Juliet Whiskey, taxi to Cessna via Kilo 1, hold short of runway 5 right, Kilo 1.
Hold short of 5 right.